देखो, now we discuss the Heron formula. Heron formula is find the area of triangle. We also know about the triangle to find the area 1 upon 2 base into height, and also know the area of triangle of equilateral under root 3 by 4 into side square. But Heron formula, we discuss the triangle, all the side of triangles are given. All the side of triangles are given. Let the side is A, B and C. A, B and C. First we find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. And perimeter is sum of all the sides. Perimeter is sum of all the sides. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. S equal to semi perimeter and A first side, B second side and C third side. Just we find the area of triangle. A equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under root. This is the area of triangle to find the. देखो, हीरोन फार्मूला ट्रायंगल के ऊपर ही फाइंड होगा, या आपको फिगर या तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल दिया गया हो, इक्विलेटरल पैरेललोग्राम दिया गया हो, क्वाड्रिलेटरल दिया गया हो, कोई भी फिगर दिया गया हो, आप वहां पर उसे ट्रायंगल के रूप में फॉर्म करेंगे। और जब ट्रायंगल बन जाएगा तो सबसे पहले आप देखेंगे कि ट्रायंगल में तीनों साइड्स दिया है कि नहीं। अगर तीनों साइड्स दिया है तो तीनों साइड्स के आधार पर आप हीरोन फार्मूला की सहायता से उस ट्रायंगल की एरिया फाइंड कर सकते हैं। क्लियर है? यस इज द सेमी पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S is the semi-perimeter of triangle. A is the first side, B is the second side, and C is the third side. So the area equal to S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Clear है? Question number 1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. A traffic signal is an equilateral triangle. The traffic signal has denoted a school ahead. The shape of signal is equilateral. I think you know about the equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal. The side is indicating A and A. Find the area of signal board using Heron formula if its perimeter is 180 centimeter. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter. Now perimeter is 180 centimeter. Then perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides a plus a 180, that's equal to 3a 180 and a equal to 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter is the side of triangle. So find the area of triangle under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Clear है? And S is equal to 180 by 2 equal to 90 centimeter. So put the value of S, A, B and C in the given formula. So 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60, that's equal to 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. Therefore 3 into 30 into 30 into 30 into 30. Now make a pair of 30 and 30, that's equal to 30 into 30 under root 3, that's equal to 900 under root 3 centimeter square. 900 under root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of equilateral triangle to indicating the signal of school added. If you put the value of under root 3 is 1.7, then you multiply 900 into 1.7, the answer will come into the decimal places. But here the value of under root 3 is not given. So if you write the answer also in under root 3 or in decimal form. Clear? Okay. Be quiet. Now, question number 2. The triangular side wall of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of wall are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Now side of wall 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. First you find the semi perimeter of a triangle. So S is equal to 122 plus 22 plus 120 upon 2 is equal to 4 6 2 by 2 and 132. So area of triangle equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22 and 132 minus 120. 132, 110, 110 and 12. 132 into 10 into 10 into 11 into 12. 11 into 12 into 10 into 10, 11 into 12. Now make a pair 11 11, 12 12 and 10 10. So 10 into 11 into 12. 1320 centimeter square is the area of triangle. Is the area of triangle. Now is the area of triangle. Cost for 1 year. Cost for 1 year. Rupees 5,000 into 1320 equal to 0 0 0 0. $66 lakhs. 66 lakhs. 66 lakhs. Now the amount paid by the company in 3 months. Amount paid by company in 3 months is equal to 660000 upon 4. Clear? There is a slide in a park. One of its side wall has been painted in some color with a message, "Keep the park green and clean." If the side of wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. Now see, the side of park 11 meter 10 meter and 6 meter. 15 meter side, 15 meter, 10 meter and 6 meter. 10 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. First you find the perimeter of a triangle. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that's equal to 15 plus 11 plus 6 upon 2, 32 by 2, that's equal to 16 meter. If you find the area of triangle S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 6, 16, 1, 5, 10, 16, 1, 5 into 2, 16 को स्क्वायर रूट से फाइंड करेंगे तो 4 आएगा, 5 का पेयर है 5 आएगा अंडर रूट 2 एंड 20 अंडर रूट 2 इज द area of advertisement part which write the keep the park green and clean. Clear? Now find the location of the park that are slide to the area have base perpendicular and the hypotenuse. Clear?